we want to start from the inside and work our way out. And so this is going to be our first transformation. So anything inside is going to be horizontal. So with the 2, 2 is actually just 2 divided by 1, right? But since we're inside, we need to flip this fraction and get 1/2. So this is going to be a horizontal compression by 1/2. Yeah, so if this number is less than 1, it's going to be a compression. And if it's greater than 1, it's going to be a stretch. All right, so moving from left to right, this is going to be our next one. And the +1 means we're going to shift left by 1. Great. Now that we've completed everything inside the parentheses, we're ready to move outside. And we have to work from left to right. So this is going to be our next transformation. And the negative sign is going to be reflect over x-axis. And this 1/3, since we're outside the parentheses, we don't need to do anything special with this fraction. So it's going to be vertical. It's going to be a compression because this fraction is, or this number is less than 1. It's going to be, vertical compression by 1/3. And then moving from left to right, this is our last transformation. So this is going to be shift down by 1. Oh, not by 1, by 3. Okay. And yeah, let's move on to the next problem. So we're going to start from the inside and work our way out. So this negative sign, since the negative sign for the previous problem meant reflecting over the x-axis because it was outside of the parentheses, if we're inside the parentheses, we just change the x to a y. So it's going to be reflect over y-axis. And then this 1/5, since we're moving left to right, this is going to be our next transformation. And with the 1/5, since we're inside the parentheses, we have to flip the fraction. And this is just 5. So it's going to be a horizontal stretch by 5, because it's a stretch because 5 is greater than 1. And the next transformation is going to be the -6. So since the +1 meant shift left, the minus is going to mean shift right. Shift right by 6. Good. And now we can go outside the parentheses. And this is our next transformation. Outside is always going to mean vertical transformations. So since 4 is greater than 1, it's going to be a stretch. And then this 3 here, since the -3 was shift down, this was a minus, the +3 is going to mean shift up.